This assignment is called Payroll, Budget, and Score. Now the idea here is to give you 3 individual spreadsheets and with the calculations for each one. However, when you do this assignment, you are to place all 3 of them on the same spreadsheet. In other words, you need to make the equations relative to where the spreadsheet is located on the overall spreadsheet. So you need to adjust the equations. Now the first one you'll notice I typed in here in cell A1, accountant, then you type in your name. Choose whichever section you're involved with. And I have names of people. Now the first one, this is called the label, and this is what the spreadsheet's comprised of. Numbers, that's what you have right here. And this one, if you look carefully up here, is an equation. Now we also trick the spreadsheet by placing an apostrophe so the computer or the spreadsheet thinks that this is a special character. So the spreadsheet is comprised of labels, numbers, equations, and sometimes special characters. Right here is a cell. This is cell B3. The 2 here is located in cell C7. Now I've taken the liberty of placing an equation in cell E7. You'll notice that the equation always starts with an equal sign. So we take C7 times D7 and the resulting is 80. Now if I were to change this to a 3, so it'll be 3 times 40, and if I hit my enter key, you'll notice it goes to 120. Let me hit undo. So these are 2 variables that will change. This is a variable that will change when these 2 constants are changed themselves. I'm going to click on my down arrow and do what's called a fill down. You'll notice I placed it in the lower right hand corner. The next part of this equation is, you'll notice it says total pay for this week. With this equation, what we're going to do here is have an equal sign, and we use the word sum, left parenthesis, and what we're going to do is calculate from E6 colon down to E11 and right parenthesis. And the reason we did that and made it between the connections here is in case we wish to insert a row. So for example, this goes from E6 to E11. Here's your total. I'm going to place the cursor right here, click my right button, click on insert, and I'm going to insert one more row, and you'll notice the calculation automatically adjusts to it. Now it's E12. So if you connect these 2, you can insert more people as they come by. Let me hit undo. Okay, so that's the first example of payroll, budget, and score.